Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm super geeked up. I got my fanny pack on. You see that? It's my kind of fishing right here. All I gotta say is, nah, I can't tell y'all. I'll just see you guys there. Stay tuned. We are currently walking to our fishing spot. My dad is here. I just gotta find him. He's really good at hiding. The water came all the way up here. That's crazy. Holy smoke. Double jump to it. Damn. Nice. Hike. It's just way too hot, guys. Got him, right in front of me, Yes, first white bass. Let's go, first white bass. Oh my gosh. You guys don't know how, and it stabbed me, nice. We did it. Yes, we're keeping it because it's good luck to keep fish when you're here to catch fish, you know, to keep it. I at least walked for like 45 minutes just to catch this fish, man. Up and down the hills, dirt road, trees, everything, man, everything. Switched over to this green and white swing bait right here. Got him right away. They weren't taking that orange head, eh? Dude, hit it so hard. Oh, I got another one. Bro, right in front of me. It followed and it pinned it to the ground. Yes. Oh, this video is gonna happen after all. Gotta be very careful with them. They got some sharp spikes. There we go. Yes. Let's see if we get some fishing going here. I'm using 4-pound tests with 6-pound fluoro. So I gotta be very careful how I throw this lure. They're biting right in front of my feet. It's crazy. And if you ever come out to fish forest-like overhang area, make sure you use a short rod. I got a 6'9" on me because I knew which window I was gonna fish, but if I was going somewhere else, I would be fishing a shorter rod, like a 6 foot. So. Oh my, you serious? Oh my. Serious, bro? They hit it so close. They hit it right by the shoreline here. The heck? They followed it all the way to the shoreline. Got him. That's a nice one. Nope, little guy, just a fighter. Yes. Good eater right here. It's another good eat. They said they shift around like crazy. Don't think that 1 second they're outside. Got another one. Dude, it fights so hard. Oh my gosh. Man, it's crazy. Chill. These are all males. Yep, it's all males. All good eaters right here. And no, there's no limit on them where we fish. So there's thousands of them every year. They spawn like crazy. Got another one. Smaller one. We'll let this one go. Jeez, dude, it fights so hard, man. Gosh. Yeah, we'll let this one go. I mean, he's the same size as the other ones, but it's okay. We'll let him schooling in and out this area. Oh my, right in front of me, bro. Look, tail's gone. What the heck? That was cool. Let's see if I can just jig him. That was so cool. Right in front of me. Oh my god, that's a nice one. Dude, that's a better one. Bro, I don't even have a tail on and he ate it. Yes. Dude, it's so fun, man. Oh my gosh. I'm like geeking out. I love white bass fishing so much. Yeah, I'm taking off my boots, man. My feet is cooking, bro. And these boots too. It's officially spring, guys. Officially spring. Man, it feels nice. Sunny days always going to be a little harder to catch them. Overcast is definitely better. If you're wondering, yeah, overcast and a little bit of wind. That's the best condition to catch white bass. Sunny day works if the water's like deep. I'm talking about like 10 feet of water where we pump flies, you know. But when it's shallow like this, oh yeah, they're definitely going to watch out a little more. They're very visible to the eye. You can see them. Got him. Right by the tree. Jeez. Keep it on. Good eats, guys. Good eats. School's back. Dude, freaking hammered it. My goodness. Switched over to the single because that double is just. Oh, there you go. See? See? Oh, see? Oh, see? There you go. Switched over to the single. First cast. Oh, it's bright. Oh, there's some minnows right here. Cool. Oh, geez. I didn't see that. Got him. That's a big fish. It's a really big fish. What is that? Oh my god, it's a big white bass. Big white bass. It's not like big, but better. Oh, finally. It took long enough. Yes. Whew. What a grind. We got him. Switched up the spot here, just down a little bit by the break, and then smoked this nice one. Throw him there for now, because I'm sure the school's back in. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, we're way out there. These are a lot bigger too. What is this? Oh my god, it's another nice white bass. Really nice white bass. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Wow, this one's massive. Yes. Yes, dude. I'm about to go get a stringer. Dude, it's huge. So I'm debating if I want to stay that long. I'm debating if I just want to catch like one or two more and then call it a day, because I'm pretty tired, man. I'm tired. I'm thirsty. My dad's over there. He's pretty beat too. He's been here since 11. This run is going to happen so fast that they're not going to be here too long. I want to say this is the only week, maybe a couple of days. I kind of just want to enjoy it while I'm out here, because I can't guarantee you guys, if I come back, it might not even be like this anymore. They're probably all gone, spawned out. It's warming up really quick, so.
Muskies and stuff, man. It's so cool, dude. Or northerns, or whatever you want to call them.
They're musky, just lip them.
They look like
oh, I got one. Oh, I got a nice one on. Oh, dude, it's a nice white bass. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on. That's our Danny Ving always call at the right time. Whoa, this thing is fat, dude. Look at this. All right, throw him in the grass. Dinner. Oh, I got one. Nice. Yep, it's recording.
Nice.
Bang, just for you.
Yeah, nice.
I'm throwing these on the grill as soon as I get home. Ving gave me a grill too, and I'm not inviting him. I caught this male. There's a female over there. I don't know if I was recording, but caught this really big one right here. It's nice. I'm gonna put it on a stringer.
Yeah, come over here, girl.
Just